I'm here with Victor Joe Brancato and Anthony Brancato of Excel Linen. Guys, you had said some things about the results of this sales audit, and well, let me ask you, Victor, how do you feel like the sales audit may have benefited Excel Linen?
You know, just a few meetings that we had. Me personally, I'm a production guy and inside office guy, and not really get much out to sell and talk with customers. But just from the few meetings, I feel like I can be a better salesman and market our company, better with just the few tips that Troy has given us.
Good. Anthony, you made a comment that you'd used some of it last week.
Yes, actually, I did. You've really tried to hammer home the importance of making sure that our customers know about the value that they're receiving from us. And when you're stuck in the middle of the forest, it's hard to see the trees. Having you come in as a third party and reiterating and showing us again on what the customers feel that is more important to spend that little extra money for, which is the value of our company, which is our customer service that we provide. Troy, you've helped us capture that rather than talking more about price, capturing the whole value of our company to our customer, and we appreciate that.
Great. Well, I appreciate it too. How do you feel about the metrics that I helped you design?
I think they're going to work great. I think it's fair for our potential employees and for the company, and I think it's going to help us be even more successful than what we were.
Good deal.
Yep, I agree.
Anything you would say to someone who might be considering using me for a sales audit or for any other project?
I'd say take the chance. Always learn from somebody else. Like you said, get an outsider's opinion. Could always be helpful.
Yeah, having somebody else's view is definitely worth it. Always talking to the same people from the inside, not looking from the outside in. We recommend doing that, absolutely.
Guys, thank you so much.